Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16. In this video I will show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now reset the app. I'm doing it because the interface has changed. And as you can see, this is the new homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method and different types of cards. Then, if you go here, you can manage all of your payment methods, check full list of participating banks, and our full activity. Next, we've got settings where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's all for this app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.